Now, the National Coronavirus Command Council will consider an implementation plan for vaccine passports in the next 10 days. Government is forging ahead with the plan, despite criticism it would discriminate against those who choose not to be vaccinated. Still, Health Minister Joe Phaahla insists no one will be forced to take the jab. eNCA's Manqoba Mchunu reports.
Our team, led by Acting DG, Dr. Nicholas Christ, at the back there, is working very hard to make sure that we can present the preparedness of this vaccination certificate to the National Coronavirus Council. In the next 10 days, they will be ready to present and to the NCCC the implementation plan for this vaccination certificate. And we hope that once that is done, we can then, roll it out.
The idea of a vaccine passport has come under fire, though, with some saying it could deprive unvaccinated people from accessing state services. Health Minister Joe Phaahla disagrees.
I've had some people who want to rubbish this to say we are going to deny people. He says, no, that's not going to happen. Essential services like health, social services, your pension, all that, education. This is not meant for that. What it is meant for is to say that you can open up more economic, recreational activities, as I've mentioned, your big activities, religious activities, in bigger numbers and bigger participation.
He says while vaccines won't be mandatory, private companies won't be stopped from making their own decisions about this.
Of course, we know that some of the employers are already looking at this to also make some regulations. That will not be because government will come with a policy which says that you can't access a particular job if you don't have the certificate. That is something which, if it's done with some private people in their restaurants, in their hotels, in their salons, there might be some salons which says no certificate, no hair, no, what do you call this thing, no weave, no vaccination, no weave. There will be some salons which will come with such regulations, but it will not be because it's a government rule.
Over 15 million people in South Africa have received at least one vaccine dose, with half of them fully vaccinated. There are only 3 months left of this year, but government is optimistic it will reach its target to vaccinate over 40 million South Africans and reach herd immunity. It says it will be ramping up rollout across the country with pop-up vaccinations like this one to reach those in far-flung areas. Manqoba Mchunu, Mangawung in Bloemfontein.